Those two are quite close. That one is not.
Lane 1 is quite.
They cross now.
Who's the last boat?
Cross.
The one like this.
Gorgeous!
What happened to the warning, man?
Oh yeah.
It's okay. No, I think
Oh my god! I want to
Who's
kill
the blue boat?
should be SA.
Yeah, SA.
No, don't
B what?
let the Indian beat. Don't let the Indian beat you.
The Vidya!
Chisholm has no place.
No, but Vidya sucks.
Yeah, the one that caught Kimberlyn a dog.
The one who scolded fuck just because she lost.
Yeah, who caught Kimberlyn a bitch and a dog.
Oh shit, they are getting.
She hit her last time.
They are getting fifth.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, maybe got chance. Yes, SA is slowing down good.
Why is I thought SA is the all-star K4.
Got Vidya there, what all star?
PC. Isn't this report son?
She's next. Come on! Come on! Come on, let's check it! Third. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Who was the other one?
PSC, PAC. Yes or not?
Got third. Wait, then who's the first two? NJ and who?
NJ and SA.
Oh yeah, no. Oh, so then the
Then who's
other
the blue
one-
boat?
The blue color is what?
Oops.
Oh, so in the end,
K2A, what is shit?
yeah, this is thinking how come
If
SA can be so slow?
3天的 timing.
Yuan, who is lane 1 ah?
Lane 1 is SR.
43292 SR, oops.